I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 18 Weinholt Street in Allenstown. This gorgeous looking home set on 850 square metres is centrally located and it has front and rear lane access. Why don't you take a quick tour and see why we love this home so much. This home's entertaining appeal. In the backyard, you've got a great barbecue area with an outdoor shower, an in-ground swimming pool. For convenience, we've got rear lane access, and up off the house proper, there's a spectacular deck for all of your entertaining needs and enjoyment. 18 Weinholt Street is one of those houses that just makes you smile every time you find something new. If you would love this property to be your home, give the team at McGrath a call. We would love to help you out.